You want to go ahead and attack that back cover with a razor blade or an X-Acto knife for removal. Let's be very careful as our Bluetooth antenna is housed right below this backplate. With the backplate removed, we can now gently peel up our Bluetooth antenna, not removing it completely from our iPod as it's still attached to our motherboard, as well as with an internal Phillips screw. There is a black spacer right below our Bluetooth antenna that we need to remove. Remove the single Phillips screw and that spacer should be easily taken out from the iPod. Two securing screws for our display assembly are revealed with that spacer removed. Let's remove these Phillips screws so we can begin peeling up our display assembly. The display assembly is a little tricky to peel up.